Welcome to Pratignyaaeducation. Hello friends, today we will learn 10 lines on rainy season. So let's start the video. The rainy season comes after the summer season. Rainy season begins from June and continues up to September. In rainy season, sky remains covered with dark clouds. It often rains with thunder and lightning. People use raincoats and umbrellas. Rivers, ponds, and wells become full. Farmers remain busy in cultivating paddy. Sometimes heavy rain causes flood. Rainy season cleans our environment from pollution. In rainy season, plants, trees and grasses look green and attractive.